Hello friends, today we're going to be learning all about segmenting phonemes. That's two big fancy words that mean listening to the sounds you hear in a word. Let's take a look at this first picture we have here. You see it's a picture of a cute little kitty. We're going to say that the word today for this picture is cat. The first thing I want you to do is think about how many sounds you hear when you listen to the word cat. We're going to do this part together. Let's do our counting first while we say the sounds. Say it slowly. K, a, t, cat. How many sounds did you hear there? It's 3. Good job. Now let's see if you can tell me what kind of sounds you hear. What letters make those sounds? K, a, t. Did you hear those sounds too? Great job. Let's take a look at another picture. This is a picture of a jet. Let's count those sounds first. One sound at a time. J, e, t. Hey, that's 3, just like cat. Now let's see if we can match those letters to the sounds. J, e, t. Jet. Very good. Let's try another picture. Now you'll see this photograph is a shark, but the arrow is pointing to the fin. That's the word we're going to practice here. Let's count those sounds first, one sound at a time. F, I, n. Fin. Now let's see if we can match those letters to those sounds. F, I, n. Fin. Very good. Next picture we're going to look at is a picture of a mop. One sound at a time. Let's do it together. Ah, p, mop. All right, get ready for those letters. Ah, p, mop. Very good. All right, we have one more to practice. This picture is a bus. Sounds one at a time. B, s, bus. Now let's see if those letters match. B, s, bus. You did a very good job of sounding out those words with me. Now you're ready to practice some on your own. Good luck!